What is the current situation of drug offenders today? Attorney Eric Sachs explains that. We tend to try and put age groups into the drugs of choice, but unfortunately, young individuals, young kids, high school and college kids, and recent graduates, they still get involved in using cocaine, heroin, or Vicodin. Then, as you get into the 30s and 40s, you start to see more of the pills, less of the marijuana. Those are people who tend to get addicted to Xanax. The Ambien now is out there. That's a nice little drug out there of choice that I can't sleep. We see now on television, whoever heard of people advertising drugs on television when we were growing up? Now, it's all drugs on TV, and you're supposed to go and you're supposed to ask your doctor to prescribe these drugs for you. You can't sleep? There's a drug. You can't stay awake? There's a drug. Anything you have, there's a drug for that, and you're supposed to ask your doctor, and the doctors give it to us. Then we get hooked on it. We sell it to people. We trade it with people. People drive under the influence of these things, get themselves in all sorts of trouble, and it just keeps escalating from there. We see, depending on which age group it is, where middle America is. Will depend on what the latest drug is. That's been an interesting evolution, watching that happen from the marijuana to the cocaine, to the oxycodone, to the Xanax, to the Ambien, to the Ritalin, to the different types of speed. It used to be that a cup of coffee was enough. Now it's something else. Just ask a doctor for it, and it gets prescribed, and then people sell it amongst themselves. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Eric Sachs in New York at 516-679-0400 or visit www.esaxlaw.com.